homes. In Unit 4, we read about the different homes that people live in. We all need shelter, don't we? Because homes protect us from rain, from storm, from wind, from even it protects us and our belongings from thieves and also wild animals. Did you know that long ago man lived inside caves? Yes, and later on we started building houses and apartments. Even animals, they also live some shelter to live in to protect themselves. Homes are very special for us, right? And our home consists of different rooms. And every room is special because it's used for different reasons. Whether our house is big or small, it doesn't matter. It becomes a home when our family live in it. So we have to keep our home neat and tidy, and we feel most comfortable in our homes. Let's look at the different rooms in our house. As you can see in the picture, we have a bedroom, and then we have a bathroom, we have a living room, then we have kitchen, and some homes have balcony or porch in it. Let's look at the different rooms and how we use these rooms for different reasons. So if we have a guest room, we usually give it for the guests. We invite our guests to sit in the living room. It is also a place where we relax and watch TV. What about the dining room? Dining room is where we eat together with our family. Kitchen. What do we do in our kitchen? Kitchen is the room where we cook our food. That's right. Bedroom. Bedroom is where we sleep and rest. Bathroom is where we take a bath and use the toilet. Study room is used for reading and doing our homework. Some houses have a garage for parking cars. Like I said, earlier days, early man, they had built caves. They lived in caves, right? Later on, he built houses using twigs and leaves, and then they were thatched roofs, and also he used mud. And then later on, they started making bricks to make strong homes, right? So no matter how the house is, whether big or small, like I was saying, it is very important to keep it neat and tidy. We need to help our parents keep our home clean by keeping our belongings back. Do you clean your room after using your toys and books? If not, it is very important that you keep it back. We also have to keep the windows open so that it will be more airy and also for the light to come in. Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say, right? So it is important to keep our surroundings clean. A healthy and clean surrounding keeps us also healthy. Now, let's learn about different houses. Have you noticed that when you travel to different places, like when you go to cities and villages and towns, have you noticed there are different types of houses around? Yes. So in cities, we usually find multi-storied buildings with houses, and we also might find apartments and bungalows. These buildings and houses are made up of cement, bricks, they use iron rod and many such things. How about towns? Towns also we have apartments and homes. We also have huts. And when you go to villages, have you noticed huts and small houses? So these huts are made out of hay and straw and out of mud. So these are the different types of houses that people live in. And there are other homes also like igloos and tents. And now can we look at the different activities that are given in our book? Let's turn to the page number 103. Here you have to name the rooms where you find these things. Can we try the first one? Here we have a cot. We usually use it in the bedroom. And the second one is a sofa. We can use it in the living room. Where do you find soap and shampoos? That's in the bathroom. That's right. How about a dining table with so many chairs? We use it in the dining room. How about a stove? That goes in the kitchen. And the television. We watch television in the living room. That's right. Can we also try the activity that's right above it? There's a fill in the blank with the words given in the box. The first one, a dash is a place where we live with our family. A home, you're right. And the second one, mother dash food in the kitchen. She cooks food. We dash food in the dining room. We eat. A dash is used for car parking. It's a garage. We should dash our house daily. We need to clean our house daily. That's right. And now I'm going to show you something. Can you tell me which room it looks like? This looks like a kitchen. You're right. So each and every room is so special and unique, and they are filled with different items in our house, right? So I hope you remember all that we learned. Now you can go ahead and do the other activities that are mentioned in the book. See you next time. Bye-bye.